So today I will be exchanging this water cooler, this AIO, out of this system today because this particular model right here is actually a recall model, and one of our members in the channel, their cooler got 100% blockage and their CPU is running at like 80 degrees Fahrenheit at idle, which is no good. That's almost dead to CPU. So I'll be taking all this out and going ahead and doing an exchange for some new fans and a new cooler, and we'll be running the Capella X100i Elite in this system, which is one of my personal favorites. And we also have the LCD upgrade as well for it too as well, to keep that aesthetics going on in the system. And one of my personal favorites, Cryonaut Extreme, for the thermal paste, because I run a 12900K and it fucking runs hot as hell, so it should be good for this 5950X. So take a quick break real quick, and I'm gonna go ahead and get all this stuff out of the system and we'll continue the video. Welcome back. So we got everything out of the system. We took these two top fans off that we were using for exhaust. We went ahead and removed these three fans that were connected to the radiator. We got the radiator system. Come a little closer. You can see that I've already got the cooler off the CPU. The CPU's been wiped clean of the old pre-existing thermal paste, which it looked pretty ate up from the cooler not doing its job. The graphics card's out sitting over here, and we're gonna go ahead and start getting these fans in here, so we'll be right back. All right, so we got everything back in the system except for the RAM, because we had to move some cable around. The RAM was in the way. But so far, the Capella X100i Elite has been upgraded with the LCD screen. We got the graphics card back in. We've got the fans in. And as you can see, we got, I mean, it's kind of jumbled right now, but we haven't done cable management yet. But we got the Commander Pro in here. We got everything hooked up. Everything's ready to go. So all I gotta do is just slap this RAM in real quick, and then we should be good. So let's go ahead and slap this RAM in real quick. Slap this RAM in real quick, and then we'll go ahead and we'll jump from this video real quick, and we'll take a short break and get it upstairs and get plugged in, and we'll have a video pushing the power button. Make sure everything works, and if it does, then we're good. If not, we'll have to go back to the drawing board and see what didn't get done properly. But I've done this for a while, so everything should run 100% when we push that power button. All right, so we got the PC up here. Everything's plugged in. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on and see if it's gonna work, which it should. Yeah, so let's make sure. Okay, the power switch is still turned off. We'll turn it on, and oh, wrong switch. And there's the screen. For more PC building tips or anything else, you can comment on this video, and I can help with any PC related problems that you might have. I didn't really go into extensive details or video on how everything got hooked up, so if you have any questions, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Peace out. This is WTR Gaming Entertainment.